Do you dream of having bright, healthy and glowing skin that lights up a room? We all do, right? I do too. That's when I found Nalpamaradi Coconut Oil Balm by AVP. I'm in love with this product because it helps lighten dark spots, blemishes and acne marks without leaving the skin dry. Plus it's all natural and Ayurvedic. It contains Nalpamara, manjistha, kushta, haridra, sandalwood that promotes skin health and enhance the natural complexion. I apply it every day after cleaning my face and gently massage the area for 2 minutes. Then rinse off after 30 minutes with lukewarm water or a mild cleanser. Now let's say goodbye to dull, uneven skin tone and say hello to healthy and glowing skin.